If you forgot the password to your Google Pixel 11 and now you cannot really use your phone, you cannot unlock it, then in order to solve this, what you can do is you can perform hard reset by going to the recovery mode. Of course, as a result, you will erase everything that you have on your phone. So only if you are 100% certain that you cannot really access the phone, if you cannot unlock it, you will never remember the password. And then, of course, at that point, we can try to do the factory reset, erase everything from our phone, and set it up again. Now, if you decide to do that, if you want to go to the recovery mode and factory reset your phone, then first of all, we need to turn it off. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time. I'm going to press both of them at once to open the power menu, and then we can power off the phone. Now, wait for the phone to completely shut down. And once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and the volume down button. And you will have to hold for a couple of seconds until you see the fast boot mode. There we go. Once you see it, you can release both buttons. So in here, we can navigate by using volume buttons. And as you can see, if you use volume buttons, then this option switches. And you're looking for recovery mode. So once you see recovery mode over here, press power button. Now, we're gonna wait for the phone to reboot, and soon we should see the no command screen on your phone. There we go. So at that point, once you see that, you want to press and hold power button, and while holding the power button, you also want to press volume up. Just pressed. So press and hold power and press the volume up, and then you should be able to access the recovery mode. So now in here, in the recovery menu, you can use once again volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu here. And it seems that the recovery mode is slightly laggy. For me, there is like a huge delay of a couple of seconds before something happens as I press these buttons, but that is completely fine. Essentially, if you want to now factory reset your phone, you should be able to find the wipe data / factory reset option over here. So you want to make sure that it is selected, then press the power button to confirm. And then over here, go to factory data reset, and once again, confirm by pressing the power button. Then your phone is going to erase everything, and you will be back into this menu over here again. So now you can just reboot the system again. So you just want to make sure that reboot system now is selected and press power button. Your phone is going to restart, and you will be back into the normal mode, and you will have the initial configuration, and you can set up your phone from the scratch. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.